In this quick crochet tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet the plain trellis stitch. You'll need a hook and some yarn to work with. For this example, I'm using a size 4mm crochet hook and worsted weight cotton yarn. The plain trellis stitch uses multiples of 4 stitches plus 3 and an additional 3 chains for the foundation chain. For the sample I'm showing you, I'm starting with a chain of 30, so it's 24, a multiple of 4, plus 3, which would be 27, plus another 3 for the foundation chain, which adds up to 30. Now that I have my 30 chains, I'm going to make 1 single crochet into the 6th chain from the hook. Then I'm going to chain 5. Then skip 3 chains and finish the stitch by making a single crochet into the next chain. And I'm going to repeat those steps to the end of the foundation chain. So again, I'm going to chain 5, skip 3 chains, and single crochet into the next chain. As I'm working, I'm keeping an eye on my tension so that my work doesn't end up too loose or tight and uneven. At the end of the row, I will finish with a chain 5, skip 3 chains, and single crochet into the last chain. To start the next round, I'm going to chain 5, then single crochet into the chain 5 space from the previous row. And I will repeat that across to the end. So again, chain 5, single crochet into the chain 5 space. To finish the row, I will single crochet into the last chain 5 space and turn. And then I'm just going to repeat that same row 2 until I reach my desired length. This stitch is really great for beginners because it helps to practice making chains and single crochet stitches while also creating a fabric that is quick and easy to make. The plain trellis stitch creates a very light, airy, and stretchy fabric that can be used to make lightweight shawls and scarves, or to make spring and summer tops and dresses or loose-fitting sweaters. You can also use the plain trellis stitch to make market bags, beach totes, and decorative jar covers. You can also check out my blog for a step-by-step tutorial on how to crochet the plain trellis stitch, as well as patterns and inspiration to make a chunky scarf and a mesh summer top. I'll leave the links to those in the description. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful and inspiring. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.